Okay, today we're going to perform maintenance on a paper shredder. The lubricant we're going to be using today is a 100% food grade mineral oil. You can buy this at your local big box store or online if you can't find paper shredder oil or it's too expensive. Give you a closer look. Again, it's pure mineral oil. There's no other additives in this bottle. Now I'm simply going to drizzle some of this on a piece of scrap paper, going back and forth. I'm going to tip it to the side just to make sure we get oil near the sides. And this is how we're going to lubricate the cutting wheels inside the paper shredder. That's putting lubricant on the cutting wheels. Turn it off, flip it over. I'm going to pull out any stuck paper as part of our maintenance. Inspect it. Remember, the power needs to be off when you do this for safety. You don't want to stick your fingers in there by those cutting wheels. And then the last thing I'm going to do here is quickly drizzle a tiny bit of the mineral oil all across the cutting wheels like so. Not very much. I'm going to turn it around and turn it to reverse. And we'll let it run in reverse for about 10-12 seconds. And that's going to help evenly distribute that cutting oil across all those little cutting wheels. Mineral oil across the cutting wheels. So I don't know if you can see that well on camera, but now they have a nice thin, even coat of mineral oil. Should be good to go. Woo! I hope this helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.